Hey y'all, it's Amy. There's Tammy behind me. We got a challenge to do. Hold on, technical difficulties. We got a challenge to do the no drinking burnt contest, but I have to drink something in order to burp. So I am so sorry that we won't be able to do that. Tammy can. What are you doing? She's eating supper right now.
I have a burger in my mouth and I didn't want to talk with it in my mouth.
Tammy can do it without drinking anything. Me, on the other hand, I gotta drink something in order for me to burp. So they want you to burp and see how many you can do.
Endless.
There's your answer. Go ahead and do a couple. I can't do it. Let me know in the comments below how you do this. How can you burp with nothing?
I swallow air.
It don't work for me. So Tammy wins.
You know, Tammy's awesome.
Tammy wins almost every challenge we do lately. She won the Chubby Bunny. She won.
I think we redo the Chubby Bunnies and get regular marshmallows.
Those are bigger than the minis, though.
Well, I mean, regular big bag, you know?
Oh. We gotta count the marshmallows as we put them in our mouth.
Yeah.
Hey, no.
We gotta do something you know how to do, too.
Yeah, give us some ideas for challenges. Not the hot challenges. I can't do hot challenges. And Tammy's got a gallbladder problem. She can't have hot shit right now either. And tomorrow is Sunday, y'all. And
Yay!
I mean, shout out Sunday. So if y'all want to shout,
If we butcher name, we're sorry.
yeah, I might write them instead of actually trying to pronounce them, because,
Or at least the ones we can say, we'll say. But if we don't know how to say it, we'll write it down and then try to say it.
Yeah, because it's going to be really hard.
Excuse me.
But yeah, that was our no drinking burp challenge thingy. I know it was boring.
I think Amy should do a new hairstyle on me.
No. Because I don't like you.
I don't like you either.
I feel rude. We hope you enjoyed this video. Probably not, because it's not a very good challenge. Sorry. Tammy, get up and dance.
What?
A lot of people want us to stand up.
You
and
do
dance.
it first, and then I'll do it.
Oh, you do it.
Nope.
Twerk on camera.
I don't know how to twerk.
I don't either. I ain't got enough ass to twerk. I got hips with no ass.
I'll move over there. Over there. In front of the doorway where nobody can see me. And then you stand over here by the refrigerator and you
That ain't.
just shake
No.
your butt.
No.
Why? Scared?
You gotta be in the cam too.
I'll do it after you. I'll do the same thing. You move over there where I'm going to be standing and then shake the butt and then I can tell who was better.
You.
No.
Okay. I'm going first. Excuse our mess.
Turn around. Wait. Turn around. Turn around. Oh, you got scratches.
Can't believe I'm doing it.
You seriously doing it? I didn't think you would.
Your turn.
Nope.
Bitch! Look. So, yeah, we danced. She burnt. I wanted to dance a contest because she won't do it. His chicken shit. Still wearing my patch.
I think we ought to do a whole different video of me.
Oh.
If
So,
it likes it, let me like it. Put the thing down, flipping in reverse it.
Okay, y'all, so I guess it's over now. Me and Momo's gonna go watch some YouTube videos.
Subscribe!
We're gonna go watch some YouTube videos.
Subscribe!
And comment.
Like!
And favorite.
Comment! Share!
Favorite.
Favorite!
Peace out, YouTube.
Bye, YouTubie!